Oh my God, I didn't know you guys was waiting for me. Oh, the camera's recording, guys. I didn't know. Why you guys are coming, man? I'm wasting your time, man. What's good, man? It's your boy Javon, man, and I'm back with another video, man. You guys see by the title, man. It's finna go down, you know what I'm saying? When I'm by myself, I always do some crazy dumb stuff, you know what I'm saying? But not today, guys. Today's gonna be a little surprise, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna surprise the beautiful girl, you know what I'm saying? I'm surprised the baby girl today. So, y'all guys see the title, man. I'm basically surprising my girlfriend with a promise ring. Guys, she been wanting a promise ring for, I don't know how long. For so long, I always been telling her, look, I'm gonna get you a promise ring on my time, not your time. You know what I'm saying? You dig? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get you a promise ring on my time. So, just got off work. Well, I wanted to get off work much earlier than this, because it's 2:46 right now. And babe get off work at 3 o'clock. I wanted to get off work way earlier than this, so I can go ahead and go to the jewelry store, go get the ring, and go home, set the camera, But I don't think that's gonna work out, because it's 2:46. She get off work at 3 o'clock. She's much closer to the house than me, so she's gonna reach home before me. So I didn't even get to go home yet, guys. I'm still in my work clothes. But nevertheless, I'm still gonna do this video. Still gonna surprise her. I don't know, I'm gonna have to change it up. The plan that I got in mind, I don't think it's gonna work, because she's gonna reach home before me. So I don't know if I should get her a ring only, or should I get her something else with the ring. I don't know. I've been thinking. I've been literally sitting here for the past 15 minutes thinking. I'm gonna get her a ring for sure, but I'm not sure. Should I get a ring by herself, or should I get something else? I don't know. Cause she deserves it, you know what I'm saying? She deserves it. She been, you know what I'm saying? She's a strong girl, man. She been through this, the rough and the good and the bad and the blah 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 blah. You know what I'm saying? So she been pushing me. She been pushing me and stuff that I want to do, and pushing me to be successful in life, and you know, it's pushing me. Overall, she's a good girl, man. You know what I'm saying? They always say, man, you find that queen, man, you better cuff her, you better handcuff her. Don't let nobody, you know what I'm saying. So she deserves this ring, man. She been asking me for, I don't know, maybe a year. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, she deserves it, man. So, I'm gonna go up in the store right now. I didn't even look what ring. Well, I did look at some other ring, but I don't know what kind I'm gonna get. So, I'm just go up in the store and just, I guess I'm just take my time. Cause it's already 2:48. I mean, she gonna reach her before me, so I'm just going in and take my time and surprise her. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully, I make her happy. I know every time I have the camera by myself, I always do some pranks, some stupid pranks or something, but not today, guys. I'm gonna be a good man today, man. Surprise my girlfriend with a promise ring, you know what I'm saying? Time don't wait on nobody, so you gotta surprise them while you have them, you know what I'm saying? So, baby girl, you lucky. You lucky, you one of a kind. You getting a surprise today, you getting a ring today. I hope you like it. You better like it. Spending my money in this, you better like it. But before I go inside, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. You already know what to do, man. You already know. Do all the fun stuff. You know what I'm saying? Do all the fun stuff. No. DM me some other videos y'all want me to do, either some pranks or something. Just DM me some stuff. I'm at the mall right now. I don't know which jewelry store I'm going to. I'm finna pull up to one of them, and then hopefully, as I said, I don't know what jewelry I'm gonna get for her. I'm gonna get her something nice, of course. You know what I'm saying? You gotta treat your baby, guys. You never a girl, man. Treat her good, man. Treat her good. You know what I'm saying? In the long run, she treat her back good. So I'm going there and find a nice little ring for her. Hopefully I can find a good one. I'm gonna surprise her. As I said, I don't know if I'm why is guy sitting beside me? Guys, this is literally a guy, right? This man walked from way down there to come sit right here beside where I parked. Bro, it's nobody over there. It's a car way down there, but this man here, but yeah, man, guys. All right, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm finna go ahead and go to the jewelry store, man. Pick up the jewelry store. I don't know if I'm recording it, because I know most of these places, they always play music inside. And your boy don't want to get no copyright. So I'll see you guys after I pick out a ring. Wish me luck. Hope you like it. It's hot outside, man. Golly. But all right, guys, we secured the bag. We got the ring. I will show y'all, but It's right here. We'll show you what, you know, baby girl gotta see first before you guys see. So she's gonna show you guys. So she's not home yet. I don't think I'm gonna reach home for her. But guys, I wanna get her something else. This just, I mean, I don't know what else I wanna get her. But hopefully she do like this promise thing. Baby girl, I hope you like it. You better like my thing. Sorry, not, but secret bag. You're gonna head home and you're gonna switch to the camera because my phone is dying. Switch to the camera and then, yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. Alright guys, I decided what I was gonna get. I told you I was gonna get 2 stuff, which I did. I got a couple Bath & Words Body Works bag over here. You guys probably wondering, I don't know if you guys say, you guys probably wondering, I got 2. I gotta get my wife one, I get my side chick one. Side now. Nah man, you can't forget about the moms, man. So whenever I'm buying anything, I always buy one for something for my mom too. So mommy, you getting something too, you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, I made it home. My camera, my phone died on me, guys. Oh my god. Look who's here. Look who's laying down in the bed.
Hello.
Look at me, ma'am.
Babe, I am looking at you.
You're so cute. Guys, I'm telling her I have a surprise for her, right? I'm telling her I got this for her. She don't believe me. So I bought this for myself, right? You know, whenever I buy something, I always buy 2.
No, you don't.
So I'm like, babe, I got this downstairs for you. Looks alive. She's still laying on the bed like, what you say? What you say?
He don't never buy me nothing, y'all. He don't never buy me anything.
That's a cap. That's a lie. I buy her except I just don't record it. She talking about, I don't believe you. You always pulling pranks. I don't know what's true or not.
Tell him, give me my promise ring.
Promise ring?
Yes, give me.
Yeah, I told her I'm not buying her no promise ring.
Yes, you are.
No, you asked too much for that crap.
Babe, because you don't ever get it.
Okay, you asked too much for it.
Okay, you didn't tell me stop asking for it so you can get it.
No, yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
I tell you stop asking. I'm not gonna get it. How long you been asking for that? For one here? I bought it here, huh? A long ass time, right?
Okay, I'm gonna stop asking so you can get it.
So you want to get your signers for you?
Go get them.
Okay, you gotta look live, bro.
Yeah, I am.
I'll cut up from the bed. You gotta turn you around, turn you back, and close your eyes.
Okay, I'm gonna close them like this.
No. Get up.
Yeah.
I guess she don't want these slippers, guys. I guess I'm gonna give them away. See, guys, I bought her this teddy bear right here.
No, you did.
Yes, I did. Stop lying.
Babe, you didn't buy me this teddy bear. This teddy bear been over here since I first came.
Guys, I bought this for her. She don't believe me. Babe, I bought this for you.
Babe, that teddy bear been here.
I've been buying her since she don't. So wait, what is she doing? She don't say thanks or nothing.
Babe, cause that teddy bear been here since I first got here. Like
It was
when
for
I
you, though.
first came.
It's for you though.
Really?
Alright guys, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get a surprise downstairs. You know what I'm saying? You guys already see, well, you guys didn't see it. Nobody see it but me. You know what I'm saying? I told her the slippers right here. She don't believe me. Why would I be lying, bro? Why would I be lying? Why would I be lying for? Huh? There's no need for me to be lying. So guys, I had to trick her because I didn't want her to know that I actually bought her the promise ring. You know what I'm saying? When I was driving, my phone turned off so I couldn't record. So I took it out of the car and I left it right here. You know what I'm saying? That bag number, the most important one. And I'll tell you guys I was gonna buy some Body Works right here. I bought 2 because I bought 1 for baby girl and I bought 1 for my mom. So yeah, we're gonna go upstairs and we're gonna surprise somebody today.
I'm not putting nothing else on.
Ooh.
Sadly, you got sheep.
Bro, guys, look at her. Let's look at her, guys. Look at her. I'm telling her to close her eyes so I can bring in the slippers. She over here watching that.
Hey.
Guys, do she deserve the surprise now?
Yes. Okay, go.
She's not even trying to close her eyes. She don't deserve it no more.
Okay, go.
I should give it to somebody else who need it.
No.
Comment down below who needs a surprise.
Nobody.
Comment down below, cause you don't deserve it. You don't deserve it.
Babe. Okay, go. Go.
Spin around.
Spin around.
Lock your eye, them and turn on.
Yeah, like guys. That's about how. Okay.
Who won this gift? Comment down below. Who won this
Okay,
gift?
go.
Look how she turned around, guys. Look how she.
He told me to turn around and lock my eyes. I'm doing that.
Guys, I gotta do everything myself. So I just did all this. So she's underneath here. She can't see nothing.
Babe.
It's gonna go right here. Babe, don't move.
Babe, don't put no pig on me.
There she go with this damn snake and pig crap again. Oh my God, guys.
Cause you play too much.
Stop trying to look.
Babe, I'm not looking.
Stop trying to look.
Go on about your business.
God.
I'm not looking.
Stop looking. Stop looking. Stop looking.
Oh my God, oh my God, what is that?
Snake, stay still. Don't open your eyes. Don't move.
Why you say don't move?
Cause this is gonna move if you move.
No, babe.
Don't
No,
move.
move.
Don't move.
Just when I'm not playing.
Babe, come on, man. Come on. Why you always wanna do this?
Babe, I'm getting scared.
Guys, I cannot surprise her with nothing.
Okay. Go. Hurry up.
Stay still. I'm gonna be right back. Don't move.
Where you going?
Don't. What the hell is you doing? What the hell is wrong with you, girl?
You move something.
Don't move. Yes, sir. What's wrong with you, girl?
Hurry up, babe. It's hot under here.
Oh.
Oh, gosh. I'm scared.
Let me take this out because I don't want her to. Let me take these out because these are mine. All right, babe. Okay. You ready? Move the pillows, but close your eyes. Look towards me. Where my mouth is to my mouth. Come on, man. Move the pillows. Close your eyes. Don't open your eyes at all.
My eyes.
And look to me, but don't open your eyes.
Where are you?
I'm behind you. The same place I was at. Don't. Guys, let me put the camera right here. Show some light. Come on. Where you going? Don't open your eyes. Come on, the bed, babe. Come on, the bed. Come on, the bed. Don't open your eyes.
What is it?
Don't open your eyes. Babe, why you opening your eyes for?
I'm not opening my eyes.
This girl here. Who want? You know what? Who want this? Who want these? Don't open your eyes. Who want these, guys? Who want these? Comment down below who want it, cause she's taking too long.
Okay, help me up. I'm stuck.
I didn't tell you go down this wash to help you.
Babe,
Come on, babe. You're making this longer than what it is, man. Look at this childish ass girl, guys. She's scared of this. Don't open your eyes. What the hell? My guy, it's not that serious, my guy.
I don't know that.
She's scared of these guys. She's scared of this. Who is scared? Who is scared?
Okay,
Don't open your eyes.
Why?
Who's scared of this? Come on, man. What the hell is wrong with you? This girl is so scary. Come all the way right here.
Huh?
Come all the way right here. Come over some more. Oh my gosh, she's going through all this for no reason.
Okay, babe, where I'm at.
I don't got no animals. We gotta go to this again. Come over some more. Come over some more. Guys, why is this longer than what I thought, man?
Who's that?
So she moved the box and she don't open your eyes. Babe,
Huh?
you make this longer than what it is, man. Come on.
No weapon formed against me shall prosper.
Really, my guy? Are you ready
No.
for your new surprise?
You was annoying.
3, 2, 1. You can open your eyes now. You can open your eyes. You can open your eyes. Look, she still didn't open her eyes yet.
I'm scared.
She still didn't open her eyes yet. Babe, open your eyes. Open your eyes. What the hell? She, look what she happy now. Look what she happy now, guys. She did all that for no reason.
Babe, what is that? Okay, I'm gonna open this one first.
She got me sweating. She did all this for no
Babe,
reason.
when did you go get this?
Don't worry about that. Me and the fans go get it for you.
Oh, babe, this is cute.
So you scared of this? You thought it was an animal.
I didn't know what that was.
So the subscribers, they didn't see because I bought it but I didn't show them. So you guys, this is the first thing she got. Nice little Bath and Body Works surprise, you know what I'm saying? She's scared of this.
Y'all, he be getting my nerves, just be rackets. Good, I'm hot now.
Okay, okay.
Zales.
From Zales.
Okay, big money.
Y'all see that?
You play too
She's scared of this. She's scared of what? The Zales? What do you thought it was?
Whatever. Leave me alone. Wait, what is this?
Huh? What is that? What is that? Look at your ass. Look at that.
What is this?
Wait, guys, y'all see it? I repeat, this is not a prank. Okay, guys, she's about to open it. Don't look at it.
It's too late. I already seen it.
Yeah, focus, focus. She's scared of this. She's scared of this.
Yes, niggas. Babe, okay, you gotta put it on.
Focus. You guys see it?
Can you
Okay.
see it?
Okay, I gotta do the honors.
Babe, it's-
Yeah, wrong hand.
Oh, babe,
Don't
thank
lose
you.
my shit.
Oh
Okay.
my gosh, babe, this is cute.
What? Oh. Okay,
You know it
guys.
got blue in it?
I know.
It's cute.
Show the people. Show the viewers. Focus. Guys, I need to fix my settings in this camera. That's why I keep not focusing. You know what I'm saying? Nice little diamond ring with a little blue inside of it. And your ass is scared of this.
Babe, because I didn't know what it would. You always pulling pranks on me. Guys, comment in the comment section below. Javon's always pulling pranks on me. I never have time to pull pranks on him. Because I be tired, to be honest with you. But this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I was not expecting this until another year and a half. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Your boy did it again.
Oh, baby.
Your boy did it
Kishi,
again.
babe.
Your boy did it again. Comment down below. Subscribe. Like. Cause your boy did it. Even though she took forever to open it. She thought it was a... Look at this girl.
I love you.
She making love to the ring.
Granny gonna be happy. Y'all, Granny gonna be happy.
Granny, your boy did it. You know what I'm saying? Thumbs up. I mean, yeah.
Pound.
To Granny. I wasn't doing that to you.
Oh, pound
Yeah.
to Granny. I was, oh shoot. You tired? The camera was too
Camera
heavy.
heavy, man.
Guys, oh sorry, I look bald headed. Okay. I was not expecting this from him right now. Like, I was not
What?
expecting.
Guys, she been saying she wanted promise me for the past years.
I know, but I was expecting it in like another year or like half a month. I mean, not half a year. I was not expecting it, right? Guys, I look bald headed. I got hair, okay? I got hair.
She made this video longer than when I expected, so we're not gonna really extend it no more. We're gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and yeah. You dig? You dig? Your boy makes someone happy.
I'd be like, girl, what?
Okay, guys, look.
What you say?
Next time I'm by myself, it's gonna be a prank for real, for real.
What?
Okay? Okay? Playtime is over. Okay? Alright, guys. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna see you guys in the next video.
Peace.